Hello guys. Welcome to come to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an apology letter. What is an apology letter? An apology letter is a written communication in which someone expresses regret, remorse, or an acknowledgement of wrongdoing to another person or entity. It's a formal or informal way to apologize for a mistake, an offense, or any action that has caused harm, inconvenience, or hurt feelings to the recipient. Apology letters are used in various contexts, such as personal relationships, business, education, and professional settings, to mend relationships, demonstrate accountability, and seek forgiveness. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an apology letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information as a sender of this letter. Write your full name, and write your occupation and your organization name, and the address of the company or organization. Or, you can just write your home address. Both are correct, just pick one. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. You must write their full name. And write the home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write "Dear," and followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you should acknowledge the mistake you just made. In this case, you can begin the letter by explicitly acknowledging the mistake you made. Of course, you must be clear and concise about what went wrong. For example, you can write, "I'm writing to apologize for the delay in delivering your order number 9876. And then, show that you apologize sincerely. Yes, you must express your sincere apologies for the mistake. Show empathy and understanding of the inconvenience or harm it may have caused. For example as, "I understand this must have been frustrating for you, and I'm truly sorry for the inconvenience." In the second paragraph, you can explain the situation. But it is optional. If necessary, briefly explain the circumstances or reasons behind the mistake. However, you should avoid making excuses and focus on providing context. For example as, "We encountered unexpected issues that caused the delay, which was our mistake." And you must convince the recipient that this never happened before. Yes, gaining their trust back is highly recommended here. You can write, "Please know this isn't how we usually operate, and we're taking steps to prevent this from happening again." After accepting full responsibility for the mistake, and avoiding blaming others or external factors, you can start to describe corrective actions. You should explain the steps you have taken or will take to rectify the situation and prevent a similar mistake from happening again in the future. And offer compensation or solutions, if applicable. If appropriate, mention any compensation, solutions, or goodwill gestures you are willing to provide to make amends. For example as, "To make it right, we'll expedite your order and offer you a 20% discount on your next purchase." And express your regret. You must reiterate your regret for the mistake and its consequences. Show that you genuinely care about the recipient's feelings. For example, you can write something like, "Your satisfaction is important to us, and we're committed to providing better service in the future." Close with gratitude. Thank the recipient for their understanding and patience. And express your hope for continued positive relations. For example as, "Hope you can accept our apology and give us another chance to serve you better." Besides that, you can also provide contact information. Include your contact information in case the recipient wishes to discuss the matter further. You can simply write, "If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer service team." And there you give your phone number or email address. For the closing, thank the recipient for their understanding. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name, as well as your occupation in the organization, and write the company or organization name as well. So, that's how you write an apology letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.